How to set up a web server and install WordPress on a Raspberry Pi running Raspbian Stretch. If you are using Raspbian Jessie, then please use the link in the comments below, as the installation is different. To view details of the steps taken and the commands used, please use the link in the comments below. Update your repository. Get the network address of your Raspberry Pi. Install the Apache web server. From a web browser, test the Apache installation using the network address of your Raspberry Pi. Install PHP. Move to the /var/www/html directory. Edit the index.php file. Add a Hello World message. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. Remove the index.html file. Restart the Apache service. From a web browser, test the PHP installation using the network address of your Raspberry Pi. Move to your home directory. Install mysql. Run MySQL secure installation. When prompted to enter current password for root, press return. Set root password to yes. Create your MySQL password when prompted. Set remove anonymous users to yes. Set disallow root login remotely to yes. Set remove test database and access to it to yes. Set reload privilege tables now to yes. Download WordPress. Extract the download. Move WordPress to the /var/www/html directory. Remove the WordPress download file. Remove WordPress from your home directory. Log in to MySQL. Provide your MySQL password. Create a database for WordPress. Create a WordPress database user and assign a password for that user. Grant privileges to the WordPress database for the WordPress user. Flush privileges. Close MySQL. Move to the /var/www/html directory. Copy the wp-config-sample.php file to wp-config.php. Edit the wp-config.php file. Provide your WordPress database name. Provide your WordPress database username. Provide your WordPress database user password. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. Change the WordPress directory owner to pi. Create a WordPress uploads directory. Change the WordPress directory owner to pi. Edit the Apache virtual hosts file. Add allow override all for the /var/www/html directory. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. Restart the Apache service. Create a .htaccess file. Change the owner to Apache. Change the permissions for the WordPress directories. Change the permissions for the WordPress files. Move to your home directory. Install VSFTP. Edit the VSFTP config file. Ensure that local enable is uncommented and that it is set to yes. Ensure that write enable is uncommented and that it is set to yes. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. Restart the VSFTP service. From a web browser, test the WordPress installation using your Raspberry Pi network address. Provide a title for your website. Create a login username. Create a login password. Provide an email address. Click Install WordPress. Click Login. Provide your login username. Provide your login password. Click Login. To log in to WordPress in the future, use the wp-admin page. Navigate to Settings. Click Permalinks. Click Custom Structure. Add /index.php /% category %/ postname %/. Click Save Changes. Click Media. Click Add New. The maximum upload file size is currently only 2 megabytes. Create an info.php file. Add the PHP info function. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. From a web browser, run the info.php file using your Raspberry Pi network address. Note the location of the php.ini file. Edit the php.ini file. Press Ctrl W. Search for upload_max_ file size. Press Return. Update the 2 megabyte file size to something more appropriate. Press Ctrl X. Press Y. Press Return. Restart the Apache service. Press F5 to refresh the page. Click Add New. The maximum upload file size has now been increased. WordPress is now ready to be customized. To view details of the steps taken and the commands used, please use the link in the comments below. This tutorial was demonstrated using a Raspberry Pi 2B running Raspbian Stretch.